Hey friends, welcome to Even the Waves. Today I'm going to show you a really short video of how I dressed up the step on the side of the van as you walk in. A lot of people will put a piece of wood that goes over the side and they'll put a little bit like shoe storage or something like that, or they'll extend their flooring out. Great idea if you're going to live in the van, but for us we actually need access. So I just dressed up the side of the step. I'll show you how to do it, so stay with me and we'll get this thing done. So I was debating on whether to do this video or not. So unfortunately, I've already put the wood here. This is 1/4 inch birch plywood. And basically what we're gonna do is I've adhered this with construction adhesive, and I'll show you which one I use in a sec. And then we're basically going to glue this vinyl, the same vinyl that we used on the floor. Even the lines will match up on here. And once we do that, this thing will get dressed up. We'll put a piece of coping on here. Hey, I just wanted to give a quick shout out to 70 Savage. 70 Savage actually answered my Instagram message and was able to tell me what he used for his. So thanks, buddy. Really appreciate it. Here's the construction adhesive that I used to glue the wood onto the actual van itself. And then I'm probably just gonna use the same glue, spread it out a little bit, and then go ahead and adhere the vinyl to that piece of wood. If you have leftover flooring adhesive, the Roberts that I used in the last video, that would probably be best, but I don't have any more, used it all on the floor, so we're gonna use it construction adhesive. Okay guys, that does it. Thanks a lot. Really appreciate you guys sticking around. We're done with dressing up the step. Everything's good to go. If you guys like this, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If not, go ahead and give me a thumbs down, and go ahead and subscribe if you liked it or didn't like it. And remember, create what you love. So yeah, we'll see you guys on the next one. And so yeah, we'll see you guys on the next one.